Hello, dear students. I am doing your chapter 6 topic lines and angles for online class. Now, lines and angles. Now, you have general conception of lines. You have drawn lines. Minimum 2 points are required to draw a line. By using 3 points also require. By using 3 points also you can draw line. By using 4 points also you can draw a line. But 2 points are a minimum requirement for drawing a line. A line has no breadth, it has length only. Now, intersecting line. When two lines cut each other, then it is called intersecting lines. The diagram I have drawn here, intersecting line. This is one line, this is one line. The two lines intersect at this point. This is an intersecting line. Now, parallel lines. When two lines maintain equal distances, that is perpendicular distance is same, the lines never intersect each other, it is called parallel lines. Here I have drawn parallel lines. You have conception of also, you have also a conception of what is parallel lines. Common example is railway track. You know the perpendicular distance between the two lines is always equal. Now, a movie, you have another example is suppose moving car. The wheels of the moving cars are at equal distance. This is also they are also parallel to each other. The wheels of the car are also parallel to each other. Now, about lines I have discussed. Now about this topic, angles. Now, angles is what? How angles are formed? Angles are formed when two lines diverge from a point. Now you see, from this point AC and AB are diverging out. So here an angle is formed. Now this A is called the vertex. AC and AB are its arms. AB and AC are its arms. Now you see, now there are different types of angles. These are, first of all I am discussing about acute angle. Now what is acute angle? The angle whose measure between 0 degree and 90 degree is called acute angle. That means angle lies between 0 degree and 90 degree. Now you know what is right angle. The angle which measures 90 degree is the right angle. Next comes what? Obtuse angle. The angle which lies between 0 degree and 180 degree is the obtuse angle. This is called obtuse angle. This is called obtuse angle. Here I have done with angle indication as Z. Z is the obtuse angle. Now comes straight angle. Straight angle is what? Angle which measures 180 degree is a straight angle. Here S is the straight angle. Next comes what? Reflex angle. Now reflex angles lies between 180 degree and 360 degree. This is the reflex angles. Now you understand, students, these are the different angles I have discussed. Now we will discuss about pair of angles. Pair of angles, first comes with complementary angle. When the sum of two angles is 90 degree, then they are called complementary angle. Suppose measure of one angle is 40 degree, its complement is becomes 50 degree. 90 minus 40, so it becomes 50. So 50 is the complement of 40. Next comes, so I have drawn here 30 degree and 60 degree. The sum is 90 degree. This is a pair of complementary angles I have drawn. Next comes at supplementary angle. When the sum of two angles is 180 degree, then it is called supplementary angle. This is 80 degree, this is 100 degree. They are supplement to each other. 80 supplement is 100. Suppose the measure of one angle is 60 degree, its supplement will be 120 degree. Next comes what? Adjacent angle. Now by saying adjacent, what do you mean? Adjacent. Angle X adjacent is Y. Y adjacent is angle Z. But Z and X are not adjacent angle. Here X and Y are adjacent angle. Z and Y are adjacent angle. But X and Z are not adjacent angles. Next comes what? Linear pair. Now linear pair, you see, the sum of the angles of a linear pair is 180 degree. In my diagram, angle X plus angle Y plus angle Z is 180 degree. Next comes on vertically opposite angle. When the two lines intersect each other, a pair of opposite angles are formed. A pair of opposite angles are formed. They are called vertically opposite angle. You see in this figure, angle A equal to angle D. angle B equal to angle C, angle A equal to angle D, angle B equal to angle C. This is pair of vertical opposite angle. Next, another conception I want to give you. If two lines AB and CD are parallel to each other, suppose PQ is a transversal drawn, then angles formed are what? Angle 1, angle 2, angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4, say angle 5, angle 6, angle 7, angle 8. I have marked different angles like this for my convenience for my explaining. Now you see, here PQ is the transversal. Now I will clear up the different two types of angle, and that is corresponding angle and alternate angle. Now by saying corresponding angle, you see angle 2 and angle 6 are one pair of corresponding angle. Angle 1 and angle 5 is one pair of corresponding angle. Similarly, angle 3 and angle 7 is one pair of corresponding angle. Angle 4 and angle 8 is one pair of corresponding angle. Next I am coming here to explain about alternate angle. Now alternate for your clarification I am saying alternate interior angle, alternate exterior angle. Now interior means what? Which lies between these two lines AB and CD. Now interior angle you see angle 4 equal to angle 5. This is one pair of interior angle. Angle 3 equal to angle 6. This is also another pair of interior angle. Similarly, exterior alternate angle is what? Angle 1 equal to angle 8. Angle 2 equal to angle 7. This is another pair of alternate exterior angle. Now you mind one thing. If AB and CD are parallel lines, in that case only the pair of, and PQ is the transversal, in this case only pair of alternate angle or corresponding angle forms will be equal. If AB and CD are not parallel, if we draw a transversal between them, in that case also the corresponding angle alternate angle are formed, but they will be never equal. The condition must be AB must be parallel to CD. Now another thing I want to explain you, co-interior angle. Now here I have already said that here AB parallel to CD and PQ is the transversal. Now you see co-interior angle. What co-interior angle says? Angle 4 plus angle 6 is 180 degree. Angle 3 plus angle 5 is 180 degree. Their sum becomes 180 degree. Now thank you.